today is National Burger Day. So what we're going to do, we're going to draw a cute hamburger or cheeseburger. So what we'll start, you can start with a pencil or a pen. I'm using a pencil today. And what you'll do, we're just gonna start right over here and you'll just draw a line. This is gonna be for the bottom bun. And you'll curve that line like so. We're gonna bring that over so it'll be like a curved line for the bottom of the burger. You can sketch that out just kind of like how I did, and you can grab your eraser if you have one to erase any lines that you don't want. If you're using a marker or a color pencil, just you'll be coloring right over it, so there's no worries if you make a mistake. So we're going to draw the same side on this side. So we'll take this up like so. And remember, your sides will not be identical. So if one side looks one way and the other side looks another, that's okay. So just like that, that's gonna be our bottom bun. We're going to draw a line on the top that will go from this point to this point. And this is going to be the bottom of our burger meat or our burger patty. So you can either sketch it over or you can just draw a line right on across like so. And so for me, that's out a little further than I wanted it to go. So I'm just gonna erase that just a little bit. And then this line, we're going to curve it up for the burger patty. And you can make your burger as big as you like. You can make a double burger patty or two patties on your burger. You can have a single patty burger, however you like that to look. I'm just going to do one patty. So it's going to look like this. So you'll curve those ends like so. Then here, what we're gonna do, we're gonna show maybe like a slice of cheese that's going to look like it's melted down on the patty. We're gonna just droop this line on down like so. It's all gonna look like what it's supposed to look like when we're done. But this is going to be the line for your cheese. And next we're going to add our lettuce. So what this looks like, the lettuce we know does not have a straight lines or straight edges. It's curved or they're curved lines. So how we'll draw that is we're gonna start right about here. Let's say right about here. We're gonna make this almost look like a skirt, but it's not a skirt. It's actually a piece of lettuce. So let's curve that over like this. And then since lettuce has curves, we're going to curve our piece of lettuce. And you can make waves right on across your burger. And then once you get to the end, you can start to curve this up, just like so. And if you have, like here for my cheese, I need to bring this line up to the lettuce. So finally, we're going to add the last part of our burger, and that's the top of the bun. And that looks like this. So we have the points for our lettuce, right there and right there. So how you'll do the bun, what we can do, the first thought, we can either make a curve going from this side to this side and then making a line straight across, or you can go ahead and draw your line straight across and then add the curve. Which one should we do? Let's add our curve. Let's go ahead and add our curve. So let's draw a line right here. It's kind of slanted if you see that. It's not a straight up and down line, it's a slanted line. And we're going to curve it. Just think of half of a circle. If you have a pencil, you can sketch out your curve because again, Remember, art is not perfect. Art is what you make of it. Any mistakes that you may make while you're drawing, you can just turn it into something else. Mistakes are our friends. We learn from them. And you can always make a mistake. You can create something else with that when it comes to art. So have fun, be creative, and again, there are no mistakes in art. So we're just going to curve this line right on across here. And this is just one way to do it. Now, if you have it to where you can just go ahead and draw a line straight across, that's one way. The first way I was doing it is sketching. You can sketch the line across, or you can just go ahead and draw it if you have a pencil, because you can always go back and erase. So we can erase any lines that we do not want in our final picture. So we can take this line, just go ahead and draw it. Maybe it's a nice Hawaiian bun or a brioche bun, but we're adding this curved line for our hamburger bun. So now, see, we pretty much have it. And what we're going to do here, we're going to close this with a line. And so with this, you don't want to go straight across because a bun is not straight either. It actually curves like a circle. So it's going to look like this. So we're going to take this on across, but you want to curve it a little bit. Don't make it straight. Okay? It's not sandwich bread, so it's not straight across. It's actually an actual bun. Buns are curved. So I'll bring this down here. And again, I'm just going to get these lines that I do not want in my final image. And if I wasn't using a pencil, I'd just color over them or draw over them. And I'm going to bring that line of the lettuce up. So there we have it. We have our bun, the top of our bun, our lettuce, cheese, and our burger patty, and the bottom of the bun. If you want to add bacon, you can do that. Maybe have it coming out here on the edges. You could always do that. You can add any toppings you want. If you want to show a pickle, whatever you want to do. It's your work of art. It's all yours. So be creative, have fun. And the last thing we're going to add to our burger, it has to be cute, so we have to add a face. So we're going to add a face to our cute hamburger. So what we're going to do, we will do this. Right here, we're going to draw a circle for the eye, like so. And you can draw another circle for the highlight. You just fill that in. Just fill that in, like so. And then we're going to bring this over here. And you can actually, if you want to add eyelashes, you can add eyelashes, you can add eyebrow, whatever you like. And we're going to add little blush cheeks right underneath, like so. And then next, let's make it a happy burger. So we're going to curve it up, just like that. And let's say it has an open smile. I like that one. Looks really happy. I mean, who wouldn't be happy on hamburger day? So we'll bring this eye, the same eye. We're gonna do the same circular eye on this side. So you just draw another one. And remember, don't forget your highlight. And just fill that on in. And then, of course, we have to add the other cheek, blushing cheek, right here. And there we have it, you guys, our cute hamburger. And if you want, you can also add little sesame spots up here, like so. You can do that, and you'll color that in, maybe yellow or whatever color you like. a yellow. You can do a light brown for sesame specks. On the bun, and almost like it's hair. And there we go. You can add little details to the top of your bun. There we go. And there we have it, you guys. There's our cute hamburger. I hope you're enjoying National Hamburger Day. If you'll hit the like button for me, share this video with a friend, and hit subscribe if you haven't already done so. And until next time,